You fucking idiot.
Gonna blow it up.
If they do, we will have to warn you.
I'm dying on the floor.
What did you think was gonna
I'm dying on
happen?
the floor.
Why are you on the floor?
I didn't know.
Why are you down? What?
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna
Why did you?
I didn't know. Cause like,
Gee, I wonder if swinging at this flammable object will explode the room. Why did we explode? That was so weird.
I just like I hit it once and then it faded to black.
It didn't even
when this
explode. It was just like,
quest
you died.
failed.